Welcome to this fantastic guided meditation on self-belief and self-worth. Meditation is an incredible process that allows you to focus your mind and find inner peace. But before we begin, I want you to do something revolutionary. Take a step back from your busy day and your crazy life. Just for a few moments, give yourself the gift of time. Find a cozy spot to sit or lie down. Make sure you're comfortable and free from any distractions. Turn off your phone, close your eyes, and get ready to dive deep into yourself. But wait, before we dive in, let's play some soothing music in the background. That's better. Now, let's begin our meditation journey. Take a moment to be the observer. Observe your incredible physical body as we slowly scan down from head to toe. Check in with your body and notice any tension or stress that may be lingering. If you notice any tight muscles, simply acknowledge them and watch as they begin to relax on their own. No need to rush, just let them go at their own pace. Now, let's shift our attention to your breath. Observe the rhythm and depth of your breath. Imagine yourself on a chilly morning, observing how far your breath travels before you draw it back in. Are you breathing through your mouth or nose? Find a way that feels comfortable and natural to you. Take a moment to appreciate this simple exercise of observing your breath. It's a reminder that you are worth being quiet and still for a few precious moments. Notice what happens as you continue to focus on your breath. It's amazing how just a bit of quiet time can slow your breath, align your body, and bring you closer to yourself. You might experience some resistance during this process, and that's okay. Don't fight it, just pause and breathe. Be your own teacher during this meditation. Listen to what your body wants and needs. Find the harmony that is right for you. Let's continue our journey by dropping our shoulders even more. Relax your biceps and let the chair or bed support you fully. Snuggle right into it and melt away any tension that may still be lingering. Can you feel that inner rhythm? It's whispering to you, urging you to slow down and find tranquility. As your body settles, it's time to relax your eyelids. Allow the muscles around your eyes to take a much-needed break and relax. Feel the tension melt away from your jawline, and let your teeth unclench. You can breathe easy now, finding your rhythm and pace. This meditation isn't just about getting cozy and relaxed, it's about respecting yourself, listening to your inner voice, and valuing your own worth. You deserve to treat yourself kindly and to focus on your own needs. Take a moment now to truly soak in the benefits of this guided meditation. Notice how your breath sinks even deeper, and how your body becomes more aligned with your mind. It's a beautiful journey of self-discovery. Now, let's dive even deeper into relaxation. Relax your neck, sides of your head, temples, and just pause. Breathe deeply and observe yourself. This is your journey, and you are in control. Decide whether this depth is enough for you, or if you want to relax even further. As we work our way back up, simultaneously relax both sides of your face. Scan your neck and the back of your head, letting go of any remaining tension. Notice how this allows your shoulders to drop even more, allowing you to breathe deeper and clearer. The calmer we are, the easier it becomes to navigate through any confusion or difficulty in our lives. Think of this deep relaxation as your safe haven in the middle of any storm. Take a moment now to congratulate yourself for making it through tough times and challenging situations. You are not a victim, you are victorious. There are countless ways to navigate through difficulties without doubting yourself or hiding from the world. You have incredible strength within you, and now is the time to tap into it. It's time to change your mindset and learn life's most important lessons. No more comparing yourself to others or being overly critical. It's time to put an end to the negative self-talk that has held you back for far too long. You deserve to live your life to the fullest and truly embrace your worth. Remember, what other people think of you is none of your business. They have their own unique journey and perspective, just like you. Respect their path, but don't let it define your worth. You are part of the universe, and its energy flows through you. You are valuable and worthy, and no one can take that away from you. It's time to look within and take responsibility for your own value and worth. You are accountable to yourself, not to others. Your worth cannot be earned or traded, it is already within you.